Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have for you this fantastic compact first aid kit. Now don't let the size fool you. This is jam-packed with stuff that's gonna help you with burns, bites, cuts, scrapes, and so much more. It's got 61 pieces. Now what I love about this is the case. The case is waterproof, so you can take it with you anywhere. So that means you can take it with you at a day on the beach. How about boating? Or you can even use it when you're skiing. That's because not only is it waterproof, the case is also rugged. Now, it's got 61 pieces. I'm not gonna list them all, but here's some of them that I know are gonna be useful. You've got tweezers, all sorts of band-aids, tape. You even have cotton swabs. How about alcohol wipes? You even have bug and sting relief wipes. Those are great. Now you've got so much more, but here's a couple of things that I love on the outside. You've got this nice nylon cord that you can hang around your neck so you won't lose it, or you can hang this on your backpack because it's got this nice carabiner. My advice, buy a bunch of these. Keep one in your home, one in your car, and one in your purse or backpack. This is going to be a go-to kit for you. Now, if you've ever priced these in places like Cabela's, you know they can cost a small fortune. But that's not the case with us. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab a couple of these today.